So we got the GoPro Hero 10. They call it like an adventure pack, but I've seen it called an accessory pack. I don't know, but it's got a little tripod. They call it a shorty. Some kind of like a magnetic clip, which I'm gonna put this on my bag, and an extra battery that will come in handy. However, we won't really need it much because of another item we got. Comes with this really sturdy carrying case, so your camera's gonna be well protected. I'm gonna be able to throw it in here, just throw it in my bag without really a care in the world. Let me just show you. Neatly packaged in there. The presentation is pretty good. And by the way, this video will not be edited, so whatever you get is what you get. You can click off or watch it. Did I mention happy birthday? What's that thing they say, cancer season? You guys be safe out there. Pop bottles if that's your thing. I say be kind. That's even better. That was the GoPro, by the way, in case you didn't gather that from the appearance of that square object. This is the backpack clip. Well, I'm gonna use it as a backpack clip. It's a magnetic clip. It's got your standard USB-C charger. No brick though. That focus was whack, so I'm not sure what you're gonna get with that. I apologize. Anyway, what's with that no giving bricks nowadays? I know that everything's got to go up in cost, but I mean, come on. If you spend like over X amount of dollars, like for an iPhone for example, and I don't get a, anyway, comes with 2 batteries. And that was a really good deal for me because the batteries were like $20 by themselves. So the camera is like originally $400. So for an extra few dollars, you know what I mean? You're gonna save a few. You got the thumb screws. I don't know if I'm gonna use these though because they stick out like Frankenstein. You got a helmet mount. I don't know, bike life may be a thing. You got a tripod. They really got this in there really good. Attention to detail, but no power brick. That too should be put in the receptacle. Anyway. We could have saved a few trees as well. More for the receptacle. How many times can I say that word before you get annoyed with the video and click off? We'll find out. Anyway, you got a nice little tripod. It doesn't feel extremely cheap, but does not feel like super premium either. It's worth it, like $20. I think that's what it is if you buy it by itself. And this is the screw that I'm probably gonna rock with. Just because it sits flush. And another draw to this was the minimal aesthetic to this. It's like really sleek, so this is gonna really help when you're getting out there. Anyway, we'll get into the real use behind this in just a second. This right here is going to be the MediaMod. This is going to be essential for the external mic. However, the GoPro, it sounds good by itself, but I do plan to add other accessories, so this was definitely needed. One thing about this though is that once you do add this to your GoPro is no longer waterproof. It's water resistant, so keep that in mind. No scuba diving with the MediaMod. Now you can get this with a kit that comes with the GoPro, the MediaMod, and this here, which is the Volta stick. Now me, I didn't get the kit itself. I kind of pieced it together because I didn't need the light that it came with, and so for the 50 bucks that the light would cost, I got an extra battery and some other accessories. This Volta stick, this is going to give you Bluetooth capabilities as well as a mini tripod and external charging, so you get about another 3 to 4 hours worth of battery life. And if you're planning to shoot 4K footage, which I plan to do, this is going to be a great look. This is what it looks like all put together. I've got my deity mic. You've got your inputs here for your audio and the USB-C for the Volta stick itself. Now this GoPro 10 was a birthday gift, but the sole purpose of this is to document my son's journey. A lot of you guys don't know, but my son is a high school athlete. He's pretty good at his sport. He's got about 15 college offers, so I'm hoping to document the process, share it with you guys, as well as my friends and family. I also want to bring about brand awareness because nowadays content is key, so everything we do, document that. Like I said, I didn't need the light that it came with because I had my own light. But you can get the kit, everything included except for the external mic, for a little under 500 bucks. I also have the DJI Pocket 2. I got this for Christmas. Shout out to the kids. So along with this, the Canon camera that I'm currently shooting with, an iPhone 13, and the GoPro 10. Lots of content coming your way. You guys do subscribe, tell a friend. I'm eager to share this with you guys. If not, hey, there's also t-shirt related content coming as I'm trying to help my son bring about brand awareness. You know, anyway, stay tuned. This has been All Things Styles. Of course, you already knew that, but if you're new here, how's it going? As always, you guys be kind. I'll catch you on the next one. This once again has been a very brief overview, unboxing. I don't know. I got a new camera, sharing with you guys. More to come. It's been a minute. Hopefully though, this will be the last time I say that, as I've got all the means to have product content on the go. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. This has been Styles. Rewatch if you need to. If not, I'll catch you on the next one.